Hi, welcome to my channel Zero Budget Gardener. Today I'm going to show you a fresh ingredient pasta which I made by the ingredients from my balcony. I plucked fresh ingredients like tomatoes and basil leaves. If you are not familiar with basil, it is from Tulsi family. Let's boil some water to cook the spaghetti. I used this little pan because I'm making only a small quantity for my husband. I usually let sit the spaghetti this way, and once it is soft, I put them completely inside the pan and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes depending upon the label on it. I usually cook it 2 more minutes than the label. I have added some salt for the taste. While the pasta is getting cooked, let's make the sauce ready. 3 ingredients: fresh tomatoes, basil leaves, and garlic if you like the taste of garlic. I'm chopping the tomatoes and also the garlic into small pieces, and let us blend it in a blender, all the ingredients together. Choose the consistency of the sauce according to your preference. I don't like it to be very soft, so I crush it just a few seconds and then it's ready. I'm adding some salt in the sauce because I put less salt in the spaghetti. Now the spaghetti is cooked well. Now I'm going to drain the water and mix the sauce very well. Now the pasta is ready. Let's taste it. I want to hear his feedback. But he is not saying anything. Just eating and eating and eating. Giacomo, tell me feedback. Hello? Hello? Can you tell me something?